What's the secret behind Jamaicans excelling across the world? It's not luck. It's not circumstance. It's something deeper. Today, we're flipping the narrative on what it truly means to be successful and why Jamaicans, no matter where they go, seem to have the formula down to a science. Jamaicans are known for more than just reggae music and are world-class athletes. In fact, there's something unique about the way Jamaicans approach life that makes them thrive, no matter where they land. Whether in the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, countries with the largest Jamaican communities abroad, you'll find Jamaicans excelling in every field. But how? Let's explore 8 powerful cultural values that Jamaicans take with them wherever they go. Values that shape their incredible success stories. Number 1. Hard work. From our ancestors who labored in the sugarcane fields to today's entrepreneurs and professionals, hard work is the cornerstone of Jamaican success. It's in our DNA. Jamaicans are not afraid of putting in the effort, going the extra mile, or working multiple jobs to achieve their dreams. We believe success comes through discipline, patience, persistence, and perseverance. Whether it's a small business owner or a professional in a corporate office, Jamaicans approach their work with grit and determination, always pushing beyond their limits. Number 2. Resilience. Life is filled with challenges, but Jamaicans are known for their ability to bounce back, no matter how hard they fall. Resilience is the foundation of our strength. Take our athletes, for instance. They don't just show up on the world stage, they dominate it, often overcoming personal and societal obstacles. We face setbacks head-on, learn from them, and come back stronger. This resilience is what allows us to thrive, even in foreign lands, where adapting to new environments can be tough. Number 3. Community support. In Jamaica, one love isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a way of life. We understand the power of unity and community support. Whether it's sending barrels of food and clothes to loved ones, or neighbors helping neighbors, the strength of our community bonds is unmatched. Wherever Jamaicans settle in the world, we bring that sense of unity with us, uplifting one another and celebrating collective success. In our communities, your success is my success. That's the Jamaican way. Number 4. Creativity and innovation. Jamaicans are known for their creativity. From the creation of reggae music to our innovations in business, we find unique ways to express ourselves and solve problems. Necessity often births invention, and Jamaicans have a knack for thinking outside the box. Whether it's a musician creating a new sound or an entrepreneur finding solutions to complex problems, Jamaicans are always looking for fresh ways to leave their mark on the world. Loving this deep dive into the Jamaican way of success, if you're finding value in these cultural gems, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more insights that could help shape your path to success. Number 5. Strong faith and spirituality. Faith is deeply ingrained in Jamaican culture, whether through Christianity, Rastafarianism, or other belief systems. It provides us with a sense of purpose, grounding, and strength. Jamaicans carry this spirituality with them wherever they go, and it acts as a guide in decision-making and personal growth. This faith not only motivates us to strive for greatness, but also helps us navigate life's inevitable challenges with a sense of calm and trust. Number 6. Celebration and joy. No matter the hardships, Jamaicans know how to find joy in life's simple pleasures. We don't wait for grand successes to celebrate. Instead, we find joy in the everyday moments, whether it's with music, food, or laughter. This ability to celebrate the small wins fuels our drive, keeping us going even in tough times. This positive outlook is infectious, and it's one of the reasons Jamaicans are loved and admired wherever we go. Number 7. Education and ambition. Education is highly valued in Jamaican culture, and ambition is the fuel behind our pursuit of knowledge. From a young age, Jamaicans are taught that education is the key to a better life. This drive for personal and professional growth is seen in every sector, from medicine to business. In the diaspora, you'll find Jamaicans excelling in universities, hospitals, small businesses, and boardrooms, constantly seeking ways to improve themselves and their communities. Number 8. Strong family ties. Family is at the heart of Jamaican society. It's our backbone, our support system, and our safe space. Whether it's immediate family or the extended network of aunts, uncles, cousins, and even close friends who become like family, Jamaicans cherish these relationships. This strong foundation gives us the confidence to dream big and pursue our goals, knowing that we have a support system that will always be there, no matter where in the world we may be. The Jamaican way of success is more than a blueprint. It's a testament to the Jamaican people's strength, resilience, and vibrant spirit. It's a combination of hard work, community support, creativity, and an unwavering belief in something greater that has allowed Jamaicans to achieve incredible things at home and in the diaspora. Whether you're Jamaican or simply inspired by these values, let the Jamaican way guide you on your own path to success. Embrace these values, carry them with you, and you'll see doors open in ways you never imagined. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and join a community that empowers you to unlock your full potential. And please, let us hear from you in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going.